In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to create spaces using the draw tools available in the design mode. Begin by selecting one of the draw tools, starting with the rectangle tool, or use the shortcut R to activate it. Following this, open the object type panel. Under the design mode, the default object type selected will be a space. You can then choose to use one of the offset modes or opt for the freeform draw mode. Starting with the freeform draw mode, begin sketching your rectangle. You'll also have the option to input the length and width of the rectangle. Enter the length value and switch input fields using the tab on your keyboard. In a similar manner, enter the width or simply drag your mouse. Once you've reached the desired width, press Enter to create it. This is how you can create spaces using the rectangle tool, both in 2D and 3D view. Next, let's explore how to create spaces using the line tool, the shortcut for which is L. Continuing with the freeform draw mode, start sketching out the geometry of the space and enter the length for a more accurate control over your space dimensions. Now, let's learn how to use the arc tool, the shortcut for which is A. Once the arc tool is activated, begin sketching out your space. Drag your mouse to define the arc length. You can also enter a value this way and similarly define your arc radius. Here's a pro tip. You can easily switch between the arc and the line tools while sketching your spaces. You can either use the shortcut or simply use the tools available here. Once you have created a closed loop, you'll see that the space has now been created. Let's move on to creating a circle. Simply select the circle tool from the tab and click on a point in the canvas. Drag your mouse until you've achieved the desired radius. You can also manually enter the radius value to create a circular space. Now, let's delve into the use of offset modes. We'll begin with the line tool's offset mode. Choose one of the offset modes from the options given and define the offset width either by using the slider or entering a value directly. Now, start sketching out the offset space. This offset feature can be utilized with all the tools available here. All drawing tools can be used in both 2D and 3D views. Next, we'll explore how to edit the spaces we've created. First, we'll examine how to split spaces. Using the line tool in the freeform draw mode, sketch a line on the existing space to split it further. Remember, to split your spaces, the line must extend from one edge to another. The arc tool can also be used to split faces in a similar way. This can be done in the 3D view as well. Finally, let's see how to erase edges shared by spaces. Use the Erase Edge tool, the shortcut for which is E, and hover over the shared edges to see them highlighted in yellow before deleting it. Click on the edge to delete it. As you can see, this results in creation of a larger space. Let's now delve into creating embedded spaces. Initiate this by clicking on the rectangle tool. Remember, embedded spaces can only be created using the rectangle or line tool in freeform draw mode. Start by sketching a rectangle within a space. You'll notice that it embeds itself within the space you've created. Follow a similar process with the line tool. However, it's important to remember that this process doesn't work the same way in 3D view. Instead, it creates a space above the existing one without splitting it. Finally, make use of all the available edit tools to customize your space as needed. To learn more about the edit tools, check out our model editing tools tutorials.